guys, we're out behind my house. We're getting ready to do a nature walk to see what we can find. This is Layla. Say hi, Layla.
Hello.
It's my granddaughter. So we're gonna look around. So what we found so far, we found some blue flowers.
And some purple flowers. Look, guys.
And then there's some purple flowers.
We also found some dandelions. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a dandelion right over here.
And then you can hear the birds. There's a stick pile.
Yeah.
We're not going to get too close to that because sometimes animals live in there.
So it looks like a dam with no water.
It does. A lot of sticks back there. Ooh, I see some yellow flowers back in the woods.
Oh yeah, those look pretty. Or
Let's see.
the leaves, I don't know. Those look pretty. Hey look, it looks like some charcoal or something. Some burnt wood or whatever over there.
It does.
Maybe somebody had a fire pit over here.
I don't think so.
Who knows?
Well, this is a field behind our house. And then on the other side, there's a playground.
Hey look, there's a dandelion right here.
There's a dandelion right there.
You want to pick it?
Sure.
Smelling dandelions smell good. See guys, it's a dandelion. We have a basket full of stuff here. So, yeah.
Somebody has a wood fire going over there.
I see smoke, yeah.
We're just looking around, see what we can find. Anything interesting. The one year the kids were down in the woods and they saw a fox den. And over here I see, looks like a birdhouse.
Looks like somebody else has some fox.
You see it? And there's some more purple flowers in the woods. Signs of spring.
Yep. Signs of spring are beautiful. Who knows, maybe there'll be a nest in that birdhouse tomorrow.
Maybe. Alright. Well, we're going to look around some more. If we find anything interesting, we'll let you know. Say bye, Layla.